Oh na na na, we dey move, we dey go. Tickets in my hands, I'm ready. Oh, eh. Passport stamp like a champion. Flying high, no carry bag of tension. From Lagos to Cape Town, vibrant. London vibe, then back to the nation. I dey feel the breeze from Ghana. Chop jollof vibe with my mama. Next up, maybe Morocco. I dey waka waka, no be sorrow. Waka waka, make we go. Around the world, we dey flow. From
when you want to see the world through somebody else's eyes, you know, you gotta subscribe, man. Like and subscribe, man, to my guy Ziggy the Great Protector, man. Like and subscribe. You can thank me later. Watch the world through his eyes. Man.
Thank you. As we continue to track this 2,300-mile winter storm. And several states have already issued states of emergency.
So yesterday there was announcements that there was going to be bad snowstorms and all of that, and in fact when I woke up today it was crazy. Yeah, so we're going outside. I'm taking you outside so you can see how bad the weather is. Yeah, people are still sleeping because the weather is crazy. Yeah, from Maryland, Ohio, Jersey, Michigan to Detroit. It's crazy. Look at these footages. I'm going to show you some of the footages of Detroit, where the highway, there was a lot of accidents because of the snow and all of that. You get it. So let me take you outside. I'm going outside, so. You could see from my dressing, man, I look like a robot. I look like a robot because of the weather, man. I have like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Let's see. About 8 inches of snow. See, everywhere is quiet. Everywhere is quiet. Oh, God damn it. To hide my keys. Whoosh. But I need to film. My legs are already getting cold. No cars. There are no cars even on the street. Oh, damn. Okay, so when the snow becomes too much, right? Even when it snows, right? Like the tracks will have to come out to clear the roads before people start driving. Else, you know, that's when you get all these accidents and all of that. So the tracks are working because, you know, people still have to go to work, you know? Like, see this? Yeah, they have to clear them. As a woman, they have to clear the roads, so they're clearing the roads before. Yes. So this is the current update, man. Yeah. The weather is really bad. Really, really bad. So they're going to clear the road every part of the country or the state. They'll have to clear it. Not most of them, but the apartments will do theirs, you know. But the high streets where people will use to go to work, you know, they have to clear it before. It's crazy. Yeah. Really crazy. Damn. It's really crazy out here. Imagine if you have to get to work by 7. You're fired, man. But anyway, there was a state of emergency yesterday, you know, so I think some jobs will understand because, of course, it's out of your control, you know. Yeah, it's out of your control. You cannot control it. That has nothing to do with you. If the weather is bad, it's bad. I can't do anything. And when it snows like this, even it's not even like, there's not a time where it's even gonna be like dangerous though. After, let's say 6 to 7 hours or 8 hours, yeah, when it starts freezing, then it now becomes black ice. Damn. You wouldn't want to drive in that. See, everywhere. 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 Look. It's almost about 8 inches. Nice. Vuko klo. Adi ayen tuya. So this is how crazy it is, yeah. It's really crazy, yeah. Be safe out there. I'm a camera. Oh, nigga, no be easy. I'm just back, man, because I'm beginning to freeze. I'm beginning to freeze, man. Damn.
Our major cities on the East Coast under a winter storm alert.